Okay, my name is Brendan Collins. I'm the Vice President of Product Marketing for HGST. So, HGST is the leading supplier of hard drives and flash to the storage market. HGST actually is part of Hitachi and IBM. Hitachi acquired the storage division of IBM a few years ago and formed Hitachi Global Storage Technologies. Since then, it was acquired by Western Digital about a year ago, and today it's the leading supplier in the market. We're expanding beyond hard drives into flash and SSDs. We recently acquired a few SSD companies. The first one is a company called STEC. They were a leading supplier of SSDs into the enterprise market. We also acquired a company called Velobit. They supply caching software to improve flash-based performance. And very recently, we're in the process of acquiring another company that develops software for the flash industry called Virident. So that's really establishing our footprint in the flash industry. So with the explosion of digital data, what we're seeing is major changes in the data center. Traditionally, we would have sold storage to big OEMs, and that's in a Wintel-based world, where everything is very standardized and very commoditized. When you sell to the big storage, the big cloud providers, whether it's social media or search, these folks have got massive data centers. They're as big as 10 football fields with 100,000 servers. And in that market, they have this exponential growth in data, but their budgets are still flat. And they're looking for new technology to help them achieve that goal. One of the things that HGST brings to the table is storage density. So we deliver the highest capacity in the market at the lowest cost. So if you look at the data center, the big challenges in the data center are either capital expense or operating expense. And these customers today are asking us to not just help them with their acquisition costs, but to improve their operating costs. So we're having to innovate and develop new technologies that will help them reduce their power budgets and their cooling budgets in addition to just selling storage. So given that one of the biggest challenges in the data center is total cost of ownership, right? One of the ways of achieving total cost of ownership is either dramatically increasing capacity or reducing power and cooling. So in the next few months, you'll see HGST release a new technology based on helium. So use of helium gas inside the head disk assembly. That is a game changer. That will dramatically transform how storage happens in the data center.